The government of western Ukrainian city, Lviv, is taking protective measures on the city's heritage buildings to prevent damages that could be incurred amid the Russia-Ukraine conflict.
Now I am the city center of Lviv, a western city in Ukraine. And behind me you can see workers are busy in protecting the ancient buildings in order to protect this building from the damage during the conflict in Russia and Ukraine.
Lviv was added to the UNESCO World Heritage List in 1998. The Russia-Ukraine conflict is still ongoing as the two countries' negotiators failed to achieve major breakthrough during their third round of peace talks in Belarus on Monday.